Good afternoon, Knights. I'm Matison Little, and here's a quick look at what's happening today on Monday, November 9th, 2020. We continue to monitor COVID numbers, and here are the latest. UCF reports 901 positive cases since the start of the outbreak. Johns Hopkins reports almost 49,000 confirmed cases in Orange County, with 591 deaths. Over 8,000 positive cases in Florida, with a death toll of 17,000. Earlier this morning, Pfizer and BioNTech released trial data showing their new COVID-19 vaccines are more than 90% effective. Their analysis focuses on 94 cases in a study that has nearly 44,000 participants. Make sure to watch Nightly News on Friday to learn what this means for Floridians in the midst of a third spike. We've also been keeping a close eye on the elections, and over the weekend, the Associated Press has called the election and announced that Joe Biden will be our next president. But current President Donald Trump is pushing legal action and says the election is not over. He is demanding a recount of votes in some states. Although the election is assumed to be over, voters are still processing the past few days of extensive ballot counting. After 5 days of waiting, America finally knows who the next president of the United States will be. Political science professor Aubrey Jewett says the 2020 election and ballot counting is different than in the past for a number of reasons, one of them being COVID-19.
Bottom line, the COVID virus changed at least three things: the way people vote, the issues that they were basing their vote on, and how the candidates themselves were campaigning.
Jewett says COVID-19 caused major issues for voters across the country. He says the virus also affected the candidates, making it harder for them to get back on the campaign trail as the election approached. And sports this season continue to look different than in the past as well, including some exciting changes coming this season. Orlando Health is now the official health provider for UCF athletics. The hospital network is in a long-term agreement with UCF, making them responsible for all of UCF's student athletes. And the Bounce House will now have a new field sponsor, FBC Mortgage. UCF Athletics says the Orlando-based company supports the program greatly, and now their logo will be displayed on the football field and in other locations throughout the stadium. And here's a quick look at our weather forecast today. Today's high is 83 degrees. There's a 90% chance of rain, so it's a perfect day to break out those super cute rain boots. But tonight the low will drop to 73 degrees with a 60% chance of rain. Tomorrow brings more rain with Hurricane Eta hanging out, so there's a 60% chance that you should hold on to that umbrella. The high will be 85, the low will be 73. That's all the time we have for now. Make sure you keep up with all that's happening throughout the week by following us on Twitter at UCF Knightly. And check back here tomorrow for another Nightly News update. I'm Matison Little. Thanks for watching and charge on.